room meeting venue no to a bigger auditorium so the bear and no pona before COVID ubi abenya kwanya radine so yesusu say oh yempe dan e muso kakra na eno de reps no say baako kra na ye nyina ye bekọ dan baako na ya tete mu na ye tin ye meeting no once and for all na ye no be ma meeting na ye papa na number 1 wo brichi mra no onye ready say we engage o mampanyi na meeting ye tinya famra kwan so aye number 2 meeting is what I was obey no so you see e be ba so a eno so I was mo reps no mate so from 3 to 1 eno po de ke haye bibiri ba one na me de amamo no so no obetena bonten ama MPP for ni other parties abeka o mo de awi o mo kwa boss ma beka e be ye nya meetings a
okay
enti me ba o ye de susu ye we koma wo mo 24th March bisinne nka jimensa onfa ni die mpo mayen na won twerɛ krata ma so o mo krata na me nsaka ana say on reply a letter nimpo bisinne to letter na to baby a reply a yenyae acknowledgement of receipt yenyae enti ye wo ho na new invitation we so ye den e bae and they ya protest wo ho a ya ye hu nsusuye a o manti a ma ye boycott first meeting because first meeting ye soma ye deputy general secretary Peter Bo amotuko no na koe enti edu no ye so no ene ye ka say oh your problem with the mood of the meeting. Ya track that abem we din susu yaba. Enteje, enti monka ho bibi ni enti. Omozi eni bibi aka kire mo. Ene ye de ahu abufu work out. Enti ka eno ade no. Yeah, I say 10 p.m. Ye director of election. O ato na tire so bibi awie obekọ. That is the Peter Bo amotuko no ye na edu ye so a. Sans what twe o madwen aba. The problem I with the legality of the meeting and the mood of the meeting so. Na so munya sem papa bi ka kire ya koswat na meeting mu ana se so munya sem papa bi anka nkire ya na ne ya sanso wa boycott to se de da na ye afi eduanyumre be we are no miensa no nan a ye tene mfa mamu se isifo awie meeting no kra e dey take your decision city dey see ye no how other political parties got to know say enye 10 p.m. na ya anopa de if one kasa ne betimi achire but yet you receive any other communication from the EC say oh e be a time na e won letter the mukra na yem fon so enti emre no aye correct ni nti momra I'm sure that they didn't want us there yem so no enye ya say ye ntimi anko because meeting the kra no mfaso bia ni so mfaso bia maso na say meeting am ye no with this form mfaso bia ni so it was a useless meeting useless meeting is say IPAC meeting defeated ya say IPAC 95 this in okwa isi no de ensemble to monim no ma bisa mo say madwen ne sen so hu na mo nyina madwen ho ne ejina ye ne issue communicate but na say IPAC meeting ya no under the dictatorial Jimensa and Bosman Asari idea they said the last 25th March omoko ye enenradi okwa ya che mu mu double track. You see, if you are taking decision, say, you buy a new voters register last week of June. You bought a money. Just say you see what doing. What's the matter now?
Me too, Sammy. Me too.
Hey, omojina yo AC LCI or Parliament amendment aye you bought a money. And you say, I think you DCI in eco Parliament. You draft. Now my dream is saying. Yet the acquire you bought a money. And you say. Ya timetable and ye be bisa mo se mo free the timetable yi eye e be na ye adwuma o ma ye magin ye ka cho say ya share time we wie aye de baba be
okay Sammy
meeting hunu sa de ye kra ye de ho
okay so Sammy ye wie meeting me say mate outcome you see the abetudwa say the last week in June obesha se within 40 days actually trading or the cluster system be adwuma protocols to fight COVID-19 nyina or the sanse ye nyina at the begwa kwan so e they are trading no meaning the EC is going ahead with the new voters register. What do you make of the outcome?
CJ Lewis CJ Lewis
Mindy Lewis
CJ and it is yes
and 28th
o studio ma o producer Tigo and fan sign down ho baby ma say new voters registered there new ye be start last week of June NC Emma so enye possible po
Sammy Jenfi
yes some agency me na me no kasa ne ti bo mi bi na ti fu nyina
say embasso say new voters register no embasso
me be kire mu they are confused chacha no moto no de omo ye ne friend guesswork
Adom FM
agwo wo mani so I am telling you today say easy for no omo de Ghana dache Ghana asumdue Ghana kabi mami kabi no omo de to apopre omo di bi agro omo de to chacha omo nim di omo ye they are confused the omo ye guesswork now wo be just ha would rather say we the next one kasa Ghana about for mra ne no ti but a novice printing na wo be di na so Ghana about mra ne Ghana about ho nhihye afia we be believe say akọ Kembu story we you be starting new voters register that last week of June and in Guasie o me si bi ko one specific date last week of June a date. This is the first time in this fourth republic since 92 CJ. Yeah, but the talk back in December, 7 December. Now yeah, what May? Yeah, but the red June. Abraham timetable. Yeah, the baby elections. This is the first time he didn't see that. 2012, after return, my new voters registered, which was the last time I hear voters registered. Let's start March. By May, we provisional. Na ka exhibition ene bi aka na me no ka say timetable kura no ye ni bi enye ni mbuase so take it from me said ye easy for can number 1 omu nim di omo kan dia confused me say Ghana may have to appoint an interim election management committee to manage this year's elections at some point because easy way there me say o ma bon easy alert kura woni mtwere date onim twere time onim twere oka asan twere wa dwen hu mienu because all that out
okay
let me church onye me bi ani so re esi emrabone no obodi akoto mrase bedwam no eye number 1 emra no aya no mo so obodi be twere din no ehia 21 days to mature so si je ye nyina ye ni za ko check se emra no 21 days na twasen na nothing aka me wa nye me bi ani ama tiefo adwen akoba bi ba me more information on my correct your errors it o monko check say emra na twa how many days na aka how many days now we are Ghana news we be fa won say ne ya coronavirus ya tiesi mrase bedwem no ye nim whether parliament will be sitting anano ye mi say won say so ye betumi aka ne potin parliament whether they will be sitting continuously from now or not. Now Yehuda Emrano be mature now because for the law to mature you need 21 parliamentary sittings. They say check number of days now check it whether based on the coronavirus situation parliament how that can even affect it and push it back. I know your first hint.
Okay.
Easy for us mature that because they cannot predict parliament sittings. That is number 1. Yet we have 6 months to an election. That's number 1. Number 2, per CI 91. What about elections? What about registration? Say mature. I was saying, voter registration centers. Maybe I'll be trading now. Any baby a war edigu krata so na o gazette we are one my political parties in 21 day notice say me kwa your registration me ya no 7,000 centers no my gazette di ni nyani me dia koma political parties o mo hwem for 21 days and sana ubetumi akwa your registration na wakwa ye enti da be na CI ne ba be mature na o makwa gazette voter registration centers am 21 days notice and number 2 ebien bisa ho say infidie na ye de ba be registration na nkasa na we ese of trofo so food bi amani ni kai if you for catch yen say o mo be starting new register 18th April me boa first timetable no 18th April. And Jomoka said by 18th April, no move fidie ni na bagana. Ama ya sheshem fidie no attest ya yibia. April la betwem. May e betwem. Almost omuntu mi nye I just say June be ende anza no betinya ye. Enti infidie no wen omo order 8,000 BVRs. Masa take it from me. Infidie no ba akokora ni wa ba beduga.
Sami, let's make progress. Already inter-party resistance against the new voters register. My yempne demonstration. Still voters register yahu.
Just give me 1 minute. Because the main point I was a gun of what here.
Sami,
I'll answer your question.
Sami, I want to know how far you are willing to go to stop the EC from registering.
It is not even, first of all, it is not even about preventing them. Okay? NDC demonstration it is not possible. Time now if you understand the idea it is not possible. So if you do and we will know what the manufacturers of infidel is for about the challenges they are having with the manufacturing of infidel due to coronavirus. At the right time, the ones and babble into infidel the better infidel babble infidel na testing infidel near piloting no. Na omakoye registration we don't bear piloting in June and yet we are entering June machines in May. It is the omoya no gas work.
Okay.
Oh yes sir mranda be mature that say yes sir ye be gazette na wie that say enti yes sia e be last week of this they are not even able to give you a date. But management
it's possible the EC can pull a surprise. Maybe
Masa, there is no shortcuts when it comes to the compilation of a register because magic
the question is but let me ask this final question.
Because it's an important question.
Thank you.
Now, apart from the point to say, based on the Mara Akano, it is not possible for them to do what they are doing. Guesswork no more ye, Omunimdi or Mokekano. Yes, so NDC for your area task of say over our dead bodies. And yebemo mayes a new voters register because ye say apart from say a yesika say no. Any apart from say a million you ye more kwanzo omunya omobeye nyema preka amane de basabasa ye abano. Ye nim say the real strategy, the real objective behind the new voters register no. And it say ye best suppress votes any voter registration or NDC strongholds near the area benimwama MPP. That is the agenda. And uti and say or birth setter on your gun or driver's license on your gun or existing voters ID card I am a many and anomaly atuaba from 92 Decina on your gun or the Tuabama president Kufuado 2016 cra on your gun I just say or just passport and a Ghana card. They are doing it because almost of disenfranchising.
Okay.
Yes, so number one. The CI will be subjected to a lot of legal suits. That one, they know it already.
I see.
Even when it matures. Already we are in court. But apart from the legal suits, you know, because you see, who work already said it. At a time where coronavirus at the past 7,300 Masa omo we disabled omo koye dey nipa omo di won register ni 16 million also to obi aka da omo ma rescue omo kwa biem in this day of coronavirus when you know that will affect turnout.
Okay.
So if the people themselves from whom power and sovereignty emanates say omo mpnesoa there is nothing you can do.
Okay.
Who say NDC, we are not a small political institution. We are a formidable institution. We have won 4 out of 7 elections. Politics will come and not immense amono. Nothing more school. I won't say elections.
Sammy,
and we will stop them. That one we have told them say say was say you trust so quiet, you trust so, and we will stop them. We will not allow them to do it.
My final question.
That bogus announcement.
My final question. All things being equal, are you going to advise your members
all
to register?
Can never be equal. And then your mobile best started. Obi Maza, unim your registration we are unim how many months are easy for here to generate a provisional register. Let me tell you these two things. And in March, this year, early this year, your first timetable the buy. No, most your mobile started limited registration 18th April. It's here for you common sense. 18th April, no mobile started. And you be almost starting the 18th April. Final register and the I'm a political party.
Sami, no, watch them with that.
No, watch them issue. Oh, well, if you don't have time, let's end it. Because I'm just making this point in a few seconds.
But final question, and I'm pissing me.
That is what I am answering. If you ask me a question, let me answer. CJ, let me answer before you move to another question. What is that say about? I'm telling you, sir. The first register timetable on 18th April. The register was going to be ready on the 8th of November. So if April became May became now almost June or 3 months after. Commonsensically, no, when would the final register be ready? That is the first point. Number two, so no. Last year, almost a limited registration. Actually, nipa be 1.2 million ding before say assembly elections. With 1.2 million pen mudino, it took more than 3 months. And then omutimi a provisional register. And Miranda said there was a provisional register within 3 months, but they exceeded it. Took them more than 3 months to do a provisional register, just including 1.2 million people. Now we are controlling 15, 16, 17, 18 million. How many months? And on the provisional register. Well, how many months now? So take it from me. An impossibility.
Some fancy, you didn't come to you. So, lawyer Sami Jemfi is the National Communication Officer of the NDC. ABY.
CJ. Electoral Commission. CJ. Omoye wuni omoye.
Jim
Who said only first person ne kasano. He says something about mistake. Yeah, na at what time I edema omunu. And then NDC for so
already the same.
The first letter yedema omono. Na ya dating no 2010.
Mamen kai tie for say ya boy ya homodin asen ke nsa ka electoral commission for. Na omo so bi won sem bisa omo pa but ya pemo a yenya enti omumie nsa ka omo na ye pa no yie.
CJ ne obi anim say electoral commission emra no enhye yemu no wo de wo ho se wo ye adwuma. Da bia me ka say IPAC meeting you omokoye kora no enyo hye say decision on be take you on electoral commission fa but aye convention e wo ho no mo say ni ye no da aye gitum me gidi say senka hu hia kora so a ko mo nkosai bre nkosai da age nkotena won kofa adwen
absolutely
eti edan a obi akoka nasem ye fa bi ne ye tu bi gu a na nyina ye de koyanim na say ebeba say ye betro letter ye wo secretary wo ho ye wo mpanimfo a ye wasede se IPAC meeting ne be koso a letter say betro niema wo se ye nyina wo se wo hwe na wo ye that person no ye in charge no that person should sit up untumi ye ntumi maboso me so a ye ntua woka a whole electoral commission wo mayi wo hu say ye ka abatwo ani munta wanta wa ye de niema bi di agro bibia nsida and we pray say bibia nsida ba se sha ase ne NDC amanyoko no ti omo charge omo bo from day one a say omo nyi electoral commission mpanimfo na wo ho no ni eno so de esida MPP 40 opposition omo nyi de wo ho ni afa jan na jama onya ni ono kura bo nya ni ti anidim from Afghan time obi obebe bia hu ne say what time what your position electoral commission benefo da no time ba se sakura nete a ye mayenka so amanyofo nde sa na omote ba se muso mo ye ade a ye betumi apinpoint say ne mo ye ne nye ayede na wo cho letter edikan na date no eye 2010 any atro no so letter wo de comment DC for first so 2010 and I mo realize ye na mudi mirika sa mo mfa sa letter na mra na yemma mu different one say ya mistake eno so mo de call ya time ese so no 10 pm anadwo eju tie sami jam finura wo se an visa free ankra to na tade enti anadwo 10 pm no afi no no kwa na ipac meeting mo ya de e be manipa no enya asem aka nipa kura e wo se wo hwe no wo hesa adwuma no ayeko ayeno ayesa eya abroso omo hwe na adwuma na omo ye no omo nya ne frinchim ti se obi kan wasem se CJ ayemise ya na wo anya bibia nsomu anyina so amfa nkan wasem na wo so jeja wo ho na wo twotwo letter basa wo ye from omo mfa de enti na omo mfa because idea no obi e ka say eniema requirements a modi akọ ewo si a num no emboa eno ho na nka argument wo na say wo sama ne beten ni say letters amucho mistakes nko awo mo niema amuyem ademada
a sensitive institution like the electoral commission
because your 2020 need to be 2010 the say your back date and yes I dey 10 pm now can go back be me there brofo no metibia na makai me of asamse ya
bogos no ana
disenfranchise
every ankata ne bu ani
na asamse ya you all dey me of
ebushafo yemfa da ugbo nkata brofo na nye kasa o
na maye den
brofo na nye kasa
me se makai
me na no ayi akando mo se wakoka den se o mo de mo so eva den logic o ye den mo di dwa na
akua me pede mo de ye me me pede mo de ye me
mo ahwe ya me kan fa bi kasa bo ase
brofo na o kan na am se am makai me ofa eno so maye bone
waka no aka tirim
akua mama wo de chronicle no ahase ma men kan comment kakra ehu hia me pa comfort me ko anim sends in this one on our Facebook page. Sami Jenfi is rude. Communication officer means talking no abba. Let me read this one. Kwekweje or Sami Jenfi. Debbie. I can't read this. Godfred Giddy or say, do you know some of the words used by this opportunist guys on morning radio provoke some of us who don't belong to their party? Where they are ambeyi. Kwakwa Usu answer, this guy is not serious. When Nanabi even slapped you in the studio and you insulted him, and message here, and you insulted him. Just any CJ, leave Sami Jenfi alone. Captain didn't become captain on radio just a day. Allow him sit and enjoy the show. Seth J. Mensa, I say, please, CJ. You are not in control of your questioning and not demanding clear and straight answers. Samumo, yo, yadamasi. Ekwia,
see
Chronicle.
Ebushafo the Chronicle ebetwa so na Alhaji Muntaka Mubarak na anwada wo wie fasting en wo se chese wachi ne kwamo enema akoma akwaduasa pa de wonwie meditro emfa nsa ne fasting awaye eti na no wabra amrahebedwam panina woda amrahebedwan no wo sa dadom dodo no ano wonmunyamfo se eche mensa bonsu ene akasamafo wo amrahebedwam ma public affairs ye wo honum ketado tim ena doctor panina won so ya administrator ewo hospital ewo parliament on so tim ene wo munyina di tu dwa se ya tesa manfo keka se amrahebedwafo mienu ene adwumayefo bi ye wo amrahebedwam asei wonum anya COVID-19 yade ni bi na enye nokore test kure kwaye ye results na maaye eti omom keka sansem no results bi amaye wo mu ka asem wie ya na Alhaji Muntaka Mubarak so ene Joy FM ha se ya Joy Prime so no wote ene wodi tu dwa se hwehwehwe mempanimfo no ne omo ye no omo ye di service to the nation who's on so minority chief whip eti wo se ne ekoso parliament on wonim na omo nyina ye omadwen se enka results no ombema obia akwa test na wie ansa na omo the results no aba enti onim kwan ye fa so a ni omadi kan ya ye no eliki ye na emom se mu nyina ma agree say okay bi mwanya yade ni bi na emom ye mfa ntudwa se ne be ye a omo aka ni nyina be kwa akoye na sa ade na liki e ba abonte anka se wo bia test positive etu onde ne ye wonimu ni se emrahye badwafo mienu ena workers ye wo mrahye badwam no wo mumu bi anya yade ni bi eti se ne mpanimfo se eye da bi a wono de wo som asoasefo wo gina asoasefo anam ena wate ne koma wie nti oni toro wo se parliament o mrahye badwafo no mienu anya bi workers ne so wo muso anya bi wo honom eti ne mpanimfo ne kan ye no wonim ne nti o mudi toro se ya na wo kan no se ne oka na America ni so onim ne nti o mudi toro etu nya de bonkrata yi bi a ewom na chronicle kro na mu ni anopai kasebo yi mu moteye Nigeria ni ababa bi a ye frɛ no Sylvia Jamaho anandi na de ehenu no wono na Jamoka se Ghana Nigeria wo be wura Ghana yesi nwura mu a wayi $5,000 say monye na mi nwura Ghana hwe monye yanye $5,000 na wura Ghana Nigeria ababa fe say kokokokoko no da we no kokko no kra na picture say
sika no oyi ma hwan
immigration
for yanye no nwura Ghana there is a say bribe no ye obi anyi bi eti ne hontuma pa
e be pa no be ne Ghana e bro so a se wantua 5,000 na me wura Ghana just wontimi ntana
kwa gudi bisa
ebi wonne ma e wo so mbe ye critical
my for daily graphic and fantastic na daily graphic and what the ababetu montrin was the voter registration begins in June. And once some near say Sanchez, Yadaba registration no 33,367. And then the Sanchez or month for Kakoto Santana Neja, Womacho Mudinti and the Obokratano, what the boss man asari, deputy chairperson, Ewo East in Ifonia Babetua, and Wapijan and son was Mokamakuman to me, Nachi, Femudi, Bibiana Kama, Bojidi, Musufe, it is having because we are going now, Sona, Omzo Mutino Mati, Usunami you. It's another Wokratan with Yaba. And was the parliament divided over results of COVID-19 tests. A Munsam Nequiashasinum. And some Muntaka was here no cray as some no cray and to Sabi, Nipani Bianya B. When we have for such a mess about to swab on Chaba Bitrim, so yes, I'll do Humba to a month. As I say, Wobabakasebia, one rabu when you be, after one rabu drew constituency, Wabano be done. What under some interfere? Well, a Cobana say, had you Nagana, dear. You just when your coronavirus, bit me again to crack to a bit, Ghana. We bet you are quite campaign way. I can't send Montraba Manipo.
Every hour try Adom. Obi do me kwa kwadu kumi. Mama na masna mo so mfi hanko. Momfo so hanko ya adwuma. Momfo so hanko ya adwuma.
Ene chi buy the birthday wo ho. Mama
okay.
Mini oba mama no happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Mini Sheila Nadu. Sheila Manye. No ye adwuma Kasapa Radio London also. Man happy birthday.
Vodafone, the future is exciting. Ready, Erata Motors for the best car batteries and oil. Buy Speed Made batteries and oil from Erata Motors. Ideal Milk, Ghana's favorite milk. Latex foam, your partner for life. And our Societe Generale SG Ghana, the future is EU. Agbeve Herbal Center. Wayari Safi. Kobe Stone.